everybody, Richard Barron, HHI Windows and Doors. We get asked a lot, what makes you different? Why should we go with you? Well, I'm going to give you a few reasons. The first is we have this 11,000 square foot showroom now that showcases the 18 different brands that we carry. Now that may seem like a lot, but when you consider that there are over 2,000 window manufacturers in the United States alone, I think you'll appreciate how much work we've done to curate down to this high quality list that offers a wide variety of styles and materials to make sure that we've got the right product to fit your home. So we're not going to come in and try to sell you on just one product. We can find what you need, whether it's impact rated or turtle glass, you like vinyl products, or you want something in fiberglass, or you want the traditional wood window with an aluminum cladding. We can service you with multiple brands here. In addition to that, we have the best installation around. So we take care of you not only during the installation, we offer a 5-year installation warranty. So we guarantee our work for 5 years. Find anybody else in this area who does more than a year and you'll shock me. I know that we're doing the best in the business that way. But here's the other thing. We will service the warranty of the product, and most of the warranties we have on these products are lifetime warranties. We will service those warranties for the lifetime of the product, lifetime of the warranty. If you have, let's say, a sash that needs replacement, we're not going to charge you a $300 fee to come out and replace it. We're doing that for free. Once you're part of our family, we're going to take care of you for life. So we look forward to having you in our showroom so you can see these things and meet our people. We're not high pressure. I mean, some of the things that, maybe kind of set us apart from other companies, or that they practice what's called a one-call close, right? That they go into the home and they are just going to browbeat you until you say yes. We're not like that. We live here. We shop where you shop at the same grocery stores. Our kids play Little League together. We want to see you and be able to do it with a smile and not feel like we got to run and hide from somebody that we, wouldn't let out of their kitchens because they wouldn't buy our windows, kind of thing. So we're going to make sure that you have all the time that you need. Again, the showroom is here for you to come browse. If you want us out in the home so we can do some final measurements and actually give you some pricing, we're more than happy to come out. Those consultations are free. We did a lot of work to curate, like I said, down to what we think are the best products for this area. So those are the things that really kind of set us apart. The last thing I'll say, though, is maybe the most important. We really do want to be a part of this community. We partner with a lot of charities. We want to do more good in this area. So anything that we can do, you don't ever have to buy a window or a door from us. But if there's an area where we can help you or do some good in this community, we want to hear from you. If you've got an idea, make sure you reach out to me. www.hhiwindows.com.